All right, welcome to another amazing, creative, awesome finished basement. Has it all. Slide, playhouse, theater, gym. Most importantly, we dug this basement out 2 foot deeper to make all of this happen. Check it out. So just over here is the entrance to the basement from the garage. We had a couple utility rooms we had a box in, but we left this area pretty much open. Right now they're using it as a play area for the kids, but ultimately it's going to be the gym and just a wide open area into the main part of the basement. So the interesting thing about this basement is I'm actually standing on what was the floor level of this basement. So this entire basement was dug out to get them more ceiling height. I'm a short guy and even I would have had trouble with a basement finished right here. So the township required that we left the footing and we had to stay 16 inches away. So our creative solution to that was to put a bench around the whole perimeter. And we've done that a bunch of different ways and we'll show you those throughout this video. But you can see what a big difference it is keeping the basement here or digging it out. I mean, look how much better this is. So we did also put a full bathroom in this basement. Even though there's no bedroom down here, it's not likely the shower will get used a lot, but it's always nice to have. It's great for resale value and it's appropriately sized because again, you gotta remember, it's not a master. We're not creating a spa environment. So this one's about 6 foot by 8 or 9 feet, something like that. And it works just fine. The area I'm standing in right now is more or less a transition area from the main part of the basement, which was dug out, and then this side of the basement, which was not dug out. So we put a kid's playhouse with a little porch here, and this is raised up at the old level of the finished floor, and then the home theater back that way as well. We also want to really utilize every inch of the basement like we always do. This spot right here was going to be a cat room. It transitioned during the construction into a little gym where there's a treadmill. What's really cool is there was a set of spiral staircase back here which we changed into this spiral slide. We really didn't need a third staircase because this basement is so large. There's actually a staircase coming from the house, another one coming from the garage. So we thought we might as well add a cool element in with this spiral slide right here. This home theater we're in is much different than what we typically do. The entire basement was dug out deeper because there was a very low ceiling down here, with the exception of one room. And the homeowners decided they wanted to use this room for a TV room. So, you know, it doesn't have a great high ceiling, but it works really well. We were able to get 8 seats in here and a nice sized movie screen. This is a great example of how we incorporated different benches throughout the basement. Because of the basement dig out, we just didn't want all the benches to look identically the same. Homeowner had some pictures and reference of some creative, modern niches. So we incorporated them into the benches with the lighting and the triangles. And these three niches right here, which are benches you can hang out in, are really cool. And there's a couple TVs in this area as well. And it really enhances the main center part of the basement. Feels so great just to relax in a custom finished basement, enjoying some really cool videos. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, and we post a lot of stuff on Instagram, and we're really there for you too. If you have any questions, we'll answer your questions on all of our social media. So stay tuned, and thanks for following.